week in math, we're learning time. And we're learning hour, minutes, and seconds. It takes 60 seconds to make a minute and 60 minutes to make an hour.
AM is, we're talking about AM and PM. AM is early in the morning and PM is late at night.
My teacher showed me a trick. The hour hand is the short word, so in the hour hand is hour goes on the short hand because it's the short word, and minute hand goes on the big hand because it's the big word. We also took our Ready test. We do it 3 times a year. Make sure you also practice your division and multiplication too. Today and this week, we have been learning about context clues and evidence.
I definitely don't know what context clues are.
Well, a context clue is when you have a word and you don't know it, and so you read around it to figure out what the word is.
Sadly, to tell you, I was being sarcastic. We also wrote an informative report, and so it talks about how penguins and camels use their fur for their adaptations.
What's that you're holding?
On our planning guide for when we're going to write our informative report.
Now, how do you use that?
It's just a little layout of like what we're going to write about.
So this week in science, we were learning about animal adaptations, and our booklet it's for our informative report, like Micah said, and here we've been writing so here's our informative report planning guide, and the one that Micah was talking about, in our class we just switched parts of the informative report and changed it to other parts. And then we do spelling, the weak spelling words in this, and this is for close syllables. And for limited, we put first it was lim, and then second it was it, and third it was it. And so it would be limited. This week we took our unit test, and we're going to be starting a new unit soon. This week, this is just for reminders on the tickets, and we have assemblies every week, every Friday, and it's for these tickets. You have to fill out your name, your grade, and your teacher, and it says who it's caught by. And then teachers will draw out 2 names from their buckets, and whoever is on their names will get a prize for it. And there's also going to be another video on being a buck. This week we have Men Make a Difference Day, and it's when parents or friends or grandpas or uncles come in and spend the day with their children or friends or the grandchildren. Also, don't forget about the math packets. They come home every Monday. You don't have to bring them back, and they're just for you to help you with what we're doing in school. And this is the one for this week.